Okay, so in this video, I'd like to uh, talk a little bit about telekinesis. And as you can see, we have a video to show you, which I have just recorded to demonstrate telekinesis. And since I published my books on telekinesis some years ago, 2019, I have not practiced since then because I was uh, very busy. So in this video, I just try to reclaim my telekinesis ability, which I found very challenging. So let's start with is telekinesis real? And yes, telekinesis is real. Is it easy? Not really, but all of us can do it if we uh, make time to practice, to work with ourselves. And then yeah, the links to the books I published, which you can see in the uh, video, I will put the links in the description of the video. So let's take a look at the video, and I will explain what I did as necessary. So first of all, uh, please forgive me for the effect. Okay, there's a real glass container, and then I show you that the glass container is airtight, which means that it will not be influenced by the airflow around, as you can see. And now I warm up, try to build connection between myself and the object within the glass container. And this is the first video I made, and I was expecting to produce a spin, but it was very hard to focus on what you are doing while thinking that you are making a content. So that's why in the next part of the video, I have repositioned the camera, my phone, because it distract my attention. And this is the first move, and I have cut a large part of the video because it takes too long. And when I do this, I feel uh, the connection between the back of my hands and the glass container. I feel like how to explain that. When I move my hand like this, I feel like I move my hands in the water, you know. And yes, wait. Okay, now it will follow my hand. Yep, there you see. Okay, and then I tried several times, but I failed because yeah, it's been a long time ago, and I just try to practice again. So it takes time. And now without hands, I'm still here. And as you can see, a little movement, the psi-wheel spin uh, back and forth. Not really significant, but it is noticeable. You can see that. No, the hands didn't help. And this what I relax more, at least tension uh, my chest, and you can see the psi-wheel spoon uh, fold. Oh, I'm sorry about the mosquito. And then I think my energy level was very low. So that's it. Uh, we can do telekinesis, okay? But it takes time. It requires uh, a discipline practice, energy work. You need to work with your mindset and your emotion. You need to be happy with your body. Make time. Belief matters. And don't believe to people who are skeptic about telekinesis. I just ignore them, but they're right because telekinesis is not an everyday experience. So yeah, it is their right to disbelieve telekinesis, but for those who have experience like me, we know that telekinesis is real. It is not easy, but we can do it. We can perform telekinesis if we practice enough. And then I need to say that I have told you that I have not practiced telekinesis for years. Uh, and also when I was recording this video, which is just last night, uh, my mind was really cluttered. I was developing a web program, so there were many things running in my head. So being relaxed mentally was very challenging for me, and also because this is the first time I recorded myself performing telekinesis. Mostly I just write my experiences in my books. Uh, Practically and normally we meditate at least for 15 minutes, and then we do energy work like breathing techniques at least for another 15 minutes. So energy accumulates over time, so it is not instant. I don't believe that people can do telekinesis in within 5 minutes or one night. No, it takes time to practice telekinesis to do it, and it is still a mystery. I hope that it could help you, at least to motivate you to find yourself as someone who can perform telekinesis. And you may ask why people learn telekinesis. It is not for being cool. Yeah, being able to perform telekinesis is cool, but it is not the primary reason why people uh, practice telekinesis. the real reason why we practice telekinesis is to realize that we are more than physical beings. We are energy, we are consciousness, we are spirits. We are more than a living flesh. We are more than that. And then we are connected. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, hopefully.